Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're taking a first look at an investing app called Rally. I believe it's technically called Rally Road, but anyways, this is an investing app that allows you to invest in things like memorabilia, trading cards. I actually don't like this view right here, so if you tap the icon in the top right corner, it gives you a much better list view of all the things available. So we got comic books. I'm just sorting down here on the bottom of the screen. We've got cars that you can invest in. You can see trading closed for like the Lamborghini at the top, but if we look down here at the bottom, the blue 95 Ferrari says coming soon. So you can tap on these, get more information about them. And basically how it works is they split each item into shares. They got watches also and wine. But let's talk about one that I am thinking about going in on. So we have a yellow one right here in the middle, 1999 Pokemon first edition Charizard Holo. So this is valued at $350,000. So they'll take this item, they'll split it into a ton of different shares, and then the investors from this app can buy smaller shares. Like let's say I only have $1,000 to invest, I could invest in this Charizard and basically there would be a bunch of shareholders for it. If we go to the detail here, we can see that the price per share will be $10. The number of shares will be 35,000. Market cap is $350,000. So basically if I have $1,000 to invest, I would be able to get around 100 shares. And then the price of this asset could change over time. You know, let's say it goes to $1 million, then my $1,000 would about triple in value. And I believe they have trading windows if you want to be able to sell your shares early. Sometimes they sell the entire asset outright to someone else, and then your sale just automatically goes through. I think I saw that down here at the bottom. Like these ones say exited. So like at the bottom, an 86 Fleer Michael Jordan rookie card. They bought this thing, a bunch of people bought it, and then it went up in value, and then they exited the trade. So very interesting stuff. I'm definitely looking into some of these. You can see the Kobe Bryant jersey is available for investing right now. So I could buy shares at $8 a piece. Actually don't have money on here right now. If you want to go to your profile, you can tap the icon in the top left. I'm working on getting my bank and everything set up, so it's going to be a couple of days before I can fund my account. But basically you would fund your account here, so you could send $100 over here, $1,000 or whatever. Then you can tap on the item that you want, and down there at the bottom of the screen there's going to be a buy shares button. You can see that I'm waiting 48 hours. That's how you would begin to get in. So it'll be fun to test this out. Probably make a tutorial video on exactly how it works. Yeah, it's a pretty dope concept, and actually they store all of their stuff, like this trading card set, in a museum in New York. And then people can go view it in a museum. So it's a pretty crazy concept. Like they're actually storing the assets, they're securing them so they're safe and everything. You know, they can't get stolen or damaged. They're insured. So yeah, definitely something to look into if you want to get involved in some of these higher value items, but you don't have the full capital to purchase it outright. I think some of the cars are dope too. So yeah, I'm going to be sending some money over here, testing out the Rally app. There's a first look at it. It seems pretty legit from everything that I have researched. So let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let us know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.